What you
boy,
cooking?
it's some bacon nuggets.
Imagine a house like planted in the middle. Hi guys, and welcome to vlog number 4. Y'all, hi y'all, so we made it. I got my friend a milkshake. Yes.
I think this is a circus tomb. I hope it surface soon, like the toilet.
Okay, what you cooking, my bruh? What you
Boy,
cooking?
it's some bacon nuggets.
They hate the day they let this loose. So fuck your truce, your handshakes and your Italian suits. Put your perception on paper, but carved it out our roots.
Oh my. Hey y'all, so I'm back from my trip. We actually went to go eat ice cream. Okay, I look like I'm doing a presentation. We went to go get ice cream, and then we went to walk, like a small walk in the centre-ville, and then it started pouring, like really bad, but we still had to walk, so we walked in rain. It was kind of like, I didn't like it, but my friend did. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys like the rest of the vlog. Ciao. Hi, so today is going to be thrift shopping day, so hopefully we find some goodies, but first I have to get there, so see you guys.
Got your cake right for the summer, got your shake right for the summer. Pull your whip out for the summer, y'all gon' dip out for the summer. Hot summer, burning up. All the hot girls in the building, turning up. Got your cake right for the summer, got your shake right for the summer. Pull your whip out for the summer, y'all gon' dip out for the summer. Hot summer, burning up. All the hot girls in the building, turning up. We back outside, back in stride, it's time to ride. Who got a party going live? We bout to vibe, let's get it started, get retarded, it's a movie, babe. We got it jumping, now it's bumping, excuse me, babe. How you doing, what you doing, let me get you right. I know you bout it, getting lit, now you feeling hype. You a hot girl, I mean that, I see that. Call you a contract, now where I sign that. I'm tryna be that, call me a big snack. And we can be the truth, that's big facts. In the summertime, you can be a friend of mine. The way we kick it, that might last until the
Okay, so I just came back from like a couple of stores. I got something, nothing crazy, but you know, I got some shit. So now I'm just on my way. I want to find somewhere to get like a drink, and then after that I have like, I think maybe 5 shops to do, and then that will be it.
hot summer, burning up. All the hot girls in the building, turning up.
A 2-piece Daisy Dukes with the shades on.
Welcome guys to the kitchen. So today we're going to be making Kraft dinner. So my Kraft dinner is done. And now I'm going to go watch Netflix until yeah. Also, I had to do my Kraft dinner with soy milk because we don't have any milk for some reason. So I hope it doesn't taste like shit.
On a broken heart, so many miles I went on a faulty start. Gill, break, drip, 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 drip. Gill, break, drip, 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 drip. I don't wanna promise too much. I don't wanna under-deliver. I am the child of a giver. All my fear land on a hardwood floor. Somehow it keeps me here, and somehow I'm young and worn, and I don't wanna promise too much. I don't wanna under-deliver. I am the child of a giver.
Okay, girl. No need for that. Hi y'all. I'm just quickly going to do my makeup because in like 30 minutes I think my friend is coming over and we're going to go to the beach. And yeah, so I'm just going to do my makeup.
The feeling of being neglected.
Post
I put my
makeup
face in my
look.
palms in the therapy session.
Do I look
I
like
ain't
Medicine
listening
Bear?
in. I just wanna be vacant
yes.
as how I'm living.
Do
as
I?
a lady.
Really?
Fresh to be razor blades, see you snakes, my skin tough.
Okay, so we're done with the makeup. Look at my hair, dude. Look like a kid, but we're done with the makeup. I have to choose. I'm choosing a fit, and then after that, we're leaving.
I think this is a circus tomb. I hope it's surface tomb. Like the toilet is overflooding and I ain't budging or plunging nothing. I lunge into the arms of truth. They hate the day they let this loose.
Y'all, can we talk about the fact that I have a curfew? I'm 17 with a curfew.
For the got me, 2 times for the energy, 3 times for heartbreak, 4 times for neglection and truths they won't say. 1 time for the got me, 2 times for the energy, 3 times for heartbreak and truths they won't say.
When the soul leaves the earth and the blood hit the ground, do you understand now? When the bullets leave the gun and the kids start to run.
Hey y'all, so finally the plan did not work because we were supposed to go at the beach, but it's like 5 degrees outside. So we tried to find like a place to just stay at, but like we were not hungry. So I guess we're just gonna hang out at my place. I'm waiting for them, but we're just gonna hang out at my place, and that's gonna be the night, I guess. You know, just girl plans.